Good morning, dear students. Till now, in the first chapter, we have discussed various concepts. Let's recall once before we start solving problem set. You have learned coordinates of points and finding distance between two points using their coordinates. Then we have discussed betweenness of three collinear points. Along with that, you have learned finding distance of a point from a line. In the last video, we have seen the Euclid's postulates and two important proofs. One of them was vertically opposite angles theorem by using direct proof method, and a prime number greater than 2 is odd by using indirect proof method. So, let's start solving the problem set now. From the problem set, we are going to solve question number 2 first. The question says, the coordinates of point P is 3, the coordinate of point Q is negative 5 and the coordinate of point R is 6. State whether the statement below is true or false, and the statement given is the first one among 4 sub-questions. The statement is distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. To check whether it is true or false, we have to solve LHS and RHS. That means we have to find these distances. So let's start with finding distance PQ first. Before we start finding distance, we have to first check the coordinates. Coordinate of P is 3 and coordinate of Q is negative 5. A negative number is always smaller than the positive number. So here 3 is greater than negative 5. That means distance PQ we can find out by coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q. That means coordinate of P is 3 minus coordinate of Q is negative 5. So distance PQ will become 3 plus 5, that is 8 units. Similarly, we have to find distance QR also. So distance QR will become, again we have to check the coordinates. Here coordinate of Q is negative 5 and coordinate of R is plus 6. Again a positive number is greater than negative number. So distance QR will become coordinate of R minus coordinate of Q, which is equal to 6 minus negative 5. That is 6 plus 5, which is 11 units. Now we have got the LHS. It is distance PQ and distance QR. At the end we will add them. But before that, let us find out the third distance, which is distance PR. So the distance PR will become, again we have to check the coordinates. Coordinate of P is 3 and coordinate of R is 6. Both are positive, so 6 is greater than 3. So we have to write coordinate of R minus coordinate of P, which is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3 units. So we have got all three distances. One is 8, one is 11, one is 3. Now let us find out the answer of left hand side. It is distance PQ plus distance QR, that is equal to 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. We have the RHS as distance PR, which we have found out as 3. They both are not equal. That means distance PQ plus distance QR is not equal to distance PR. Therefore, given statement is false. Let's move towards next question. The next question is question number 3. Here in this question, the coordinates of some pairs of points are given and we have to find the distance between given pair. From this question, we are going to solve 5th and 6th. So I am writing the 5th question. The coordinates given are x plus 3 and x minus 3. As we don't know the values of x, whether x is positive or negative, let us first check which coordinate is greater than the second by considering a value which is positive as well as negative. So if x is greater than 0, so let's assume x is equal to 1. Then x plus 3 will become 1 plus 3, that is 4, and x minus 3 will become 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. Here a positive number is greater than negative number. So x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3. Let us consider x is a smaller than 0, that is x is negative number. So x becomes x minus 1. Let us assume x as minus 1. Therefore x plus 3 will become negative 1 plus 3, that is 2, and x minus 3 will become negative 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 4. Again a number positive and a number negative. So 2 is greater than minus 4. So again x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3. Now it is sure that x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3. So to find distance, we have to subtract smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. And we know that x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3. Now when we expand the brackets, it becomes x plus 3 minus x plus 3. Here x minus x will be 0 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So distance between these two coordinates is 6. Let's proceed to solve next sub question. It is sixth one and the coordinates given are negative 25 and negative 47. Now here both the numbers are negative. So we have to first check their absolute values. Minus 25 absolute value is plus 25 and negative 47 absolute value is 47. Now when we compare these two values, 25 is the smaller one. But we know that both the numbers are negative. So the number with smaller absolute value is the greater number. So negative 25 is greater than negative 47. So finding distance is a easy job. Distance is equal to, we have to subtract smaller coordinate from larger one. It becomes negative 25 minus negative 47. It becomes negative 25 plus 47. One number negative, one number positive. We have to find the difference and give the sign of bigger number. So it is a distance of 22 units. So we have got the answer as 22 units. In the next video, we will solve 2 more questions from problem set.